everyone, this is Group 3
and we will introduce you the collective term for each sense.
But before that, let us introduce ourselves. I am candidate number 7, Barreteros Mergency.
And I am candidate number 13, Cano Maria Criseline.
And here are some of the examples of collective nouns. My words is lawn. A lawn of grass.
Candidate number 10, Boncales Cristina. My word is patch. A patch of leaves.
Hi everyone, I'm candidate number 12, Bogad John Rimmer. My word is bundle, a bundle of stick.
Once again, I'm candidate number 13, Cano Maria Criseline. My word is hedge, a hedge of bushes.
Candidate number 15, Duron Rachel Rose. My word is a bunch of petals.
Candidate number 16, Rehoff John Peter. My word is clump, a clump of ferns.
I'm candidate 18, Ikagama Orson. My word is range, a range of mountains.
This is candidate number 19, Lagarelo Juliet. My word is group, a group of trees.
This is candidate number 25, Keta Argent P. My word is field, a field of flowers.